Hello everybody, yes, it's me again, that fella from Chesterfield. Well, you know who I am, don't you? Yes, you do. Right, I've got my mate in the mirror, and we're in Cheshire. Yeah, what on earth are we doing in Cheshire? Well, we've been out on a ride and we've been going for about an hour and 3/4. Yeah, we've come out of Chesterfield up to Buxton, up over the Cat, then split off the Cat Road and over to Congleton and into Cheshire. And we're heading to a place for some lunch, a place we've not been to before, so I hope it's alright. It looks really nice on the pictures I've seen, so yeah, bring it on, eh? We've had some great roads coming over. What on earth's that thing? That was a strange contraption. Yeah, we've had some really nice roads coming over, but at one point it started raining, so we had to just stop and put the leggings on, as you do. I mean, there's cloud about, but they've not given rain, and it was just spits and spots, so it was a false alarm, thankfully. And Cheshire's usually pretty good. It's flat, Cheshire is, and the weather comes in from the west, and it seems to glide over Cheshire, I always think, and it's when it hits that range of hills as you're heading over into the Peak District when it starts breaking, and you get the weather, and it all drops on Derbyshire, doesn't it? Yeah, unfortunately the Peak District and the Dales are the best spot of England, I think. Sometimes it always drops on there, but so far so good. Keep checking my mate's still there. Cheshire is a nice county to ride in. You've got some nice little lanes and nice roads, but there's not much scenery in Cheshire compared to Derbyshire. It's a bit like Lincolnshire with it being so flat, and it's flat. All you can see is the hedges either side until you get to a bit where it opens up a bit, like there. You can see the view across, but yeah, it's not so scenic, Cheshire isn't, but there's some nice places in Cheshire, nice villages and towns, and like I say, it does seem to be the sunny side, the sunny bit. It's where all the footballers live in Cheshire. Now then, these two lads are struggling to get past each other. Look, oh dear. I'll wait back here just in case he has to reverse. Oh, he's done it. He's done it. Well done. This little tight bridge here, they've just happened to meet. Over the canal. A bit bumpy down here. Oh, there's a depot or something there. He's gone down there. Church Menshel. Little narrow bit here, look. Over the river. This is a nice little town. Oh crikey, there wasn't much warning of that. The badger. Oh, the road markings had all eroded. But I took my mate by surprise behind then. Now then, where are we going now? Got to take a right down here. We're not so far away now. 7 minutes it says. So whether this is the last leg. Yeah, footballers' wives all live in Cheshire, don't they? Well, they're more up by Wilmslow and Alderley Edge and Macclesfield area, close to Manchester, but out in the countryside. That's where the money folk are. There's some big lorries on these little lanes, but there's a lot of agriculture around here. This is it's a big curtain cider. I don't know where he's going. Yeah, so where are we going on this little mystery tour in Cheshire? Well, we're going to Taylor's Tea Room, and it looks really nice on the pictures on the internet, and it's another one by the side of a canal. We do like the canal cafes. We've got a bit of a thing for canal cafes at the moment. We seem to be doing a lot of them. And this looks like a real nice spot, so let's hope it is when we get there. Let's hope it's open as well, because I've not checked. I think it'll be open. It looked like a big place, to be honest. What's this chap braking for? Who knows? No. Caught a cyclist up, that's what it is. He's enjoying the sun while he can, getting his exercise in. Don't blame him. If I'd got better kneecaps, I'd be doing it, but unfortunately my knees are shot. dodging around there's rough bits of road here. Just keep my eye on him. That's the trouble on these little lanes. The roads are so rough under the side sometimes, and obviously he's going to swerve around the potholes, isn't he? Same as me. Now then, we're going left here. My mate's wondering where we're going, because I've not told him. He's not bothered. He knows I'll have found somewhere for dinner and plotted a route, and as long as he's got his leg over that Enfield, he's happy. He's not bothered. Bother on and carry on, eh? That's the way. Well, a couple of lads on bikes here. I'll give them a wide berth. Oh, it's a chap and his missus by the look of it. You see more and more ladies on bikes now. It's a good thing as well. It's not just for fellas to enjoy, is it? And it's a good way of getting your exercise. Wow, there's some big rough patches on the left hand side here. This road's not so good. Road closed here 29th of June for 3 days. Looks like they're going to do some patching. Well, we're coming to it now, should be. Let's hope so. 2 minutes, it's telling me. I can't see any sign of it yet. Any minute now it should be coming into view, unless if Google's got me lost. There's nothing much on this road. Where we're coming to now, we're going under a railway. Ah, turn left into the car park, it's telling me. Yes. I'm getting ready for a brew. Oh, crikey, that is rough under there. Ah, this is the canal we're going to overlook. The canal bridge. Let me lift my visor. Phew. Ah, this is it. This looks alright. Taylor's, there it is in the corner. There we are, we'll be alright there. There's the canal and the cafe. And We'll catch you later, we'll have a brew and a chew. Oh! God, my hands are killing me. Eh?
Why are they summer?
I know, I've been doing all this decorating, haven't I? And it's murder on my hands. Flash, highest village in Britain, 1,518 feet above sea level. How's that then? Yeah, Flash. We have 3 months of bad weather here, and then winter sets in. Or so they say. And we're going to the Flash Bar stores, which is just over there. Not far now. As I say, we've not been here before. Whether it'll be open or not, I don't know. I hope so. Yeah, there's some bikes there. We'll be alright, I think. Yes. I'm back in here. How's that? And we'll sit and have a brew. And that's another little adventure over, folks. After that brew in the Flash Bar stores, first time we've been in there. It's nothing special, but it's okay, it's nice. And we had a refreshing drink, and we're making our way back now, and my mate's going to lead the way back. So I'm going to wrap this one up here, folks. So until the next time, it's goodbye from him in front, and it's goodbye from me. Bye bye now. Ta ta. Ta ta.